Tired of SEO advice that feels outdated the second you hear it? Stick around, because I'll walk you through the top SEO tactics that are still working right now in 2025. Let's dive directly in. Boost your brand presence. Google now looks at how often your brand gets mentioned across the web, not just how many backlinks you have. For example, when a SaaS company gets included in a top 10 tools for customer support roundup, that mention signals authority, even without a link. Local businesses can appear in city guides or best restaurants in town lists, which also serve as a form of credibility. Track your branded search volume in Google Search Console. If more people are Googling your name, that's a positive signal for rankings. Mix in multimedia. AI overviews pull rich media, so text-only pages are at a disadvantage. For example, a travel blog with original YouTube videos embedded often ranks better because videos increase dwell time. A health website using infographics to explain nutrition data has a higher chance of being cited in AI overviews. Even podcasts can help publish the transcript alongside audio so Google can crawl it. Think of your content as multi-layered: text, video, images, and audio. Implement entity and semantic SEO. Go beyond keywords. Google and AI systems are moving away from simple keyword matching and toward understanding entities, concept, and context. Instead of just targeting best coffee beans, I'm to become the recognized entity around specialty coffee. Include your brand in coffee guides, reviews, podcasts, and add schema markup. When AI overviews or ChatGPT answer questions like, "What's the healthiest coffee bean?" they pull from content that provides semantic clarity, well-structured definitions, context, and interlinked concepts. Example: a coffee blog that covers Arabica beans should also connect subtopics like single origin coffee, fair trade certifications, and espresso roast levels. This creates a semantic network that positions the site as authority on specialty coffee. If entity SEO is a new concept for you, check the video in the description. Take into account content modularization or reusable component if you want. AI reads and reuses content in small chunks, so modular content components are more valuable than long unstructured text. Break down pages into clear standalone blocks, short definitions, step-by-step instructions, quotes, or mini case studies. This allows Google or AI systems to easily surface a precise snippet. Example: a fitness website writing about HIIT training, meaning high intensity interval training, could include a definition box, a sample workout plan, and a nutrition checklist. Each of these can be reused in SEO features, AI overviews, or even voice search answers. Bonus: modular content improves users' experience, letting readers can extract value quickly. If you need help with your content strategy, click the first link in comments. Pursue high-value links. Forget random backlinks. Quality matters more than ever. If you notice a competitor consistently featured in Google's AI overviews, aim to get mentioned on the same sites. A single editorial link from Forbes or HubSpot carries more weight than 50 cheap directory links, or a link from a site ranking on the first page for your keyword is even more valuable. Focus on digital PR, guest features, or partnerships that naturally earn you citation in respected publications. Write search intent titles. Your title is your elevator pitch to both Google users. If someone searches best DCLR for travel, a title like Best DCLR Cameras for Travel in 2025 Full Guide works better than just DCLR Camera Review. Keep it under 60 characters so it displays fully in search results. Align with intent. If it's a buying keyword, make it commercial. For example, buy top picks. If informational, use guide, how to, or tips. Organize content clearly. Google reads your headings to understand your page's structure. For example, an article on Mediterranean diet should have H2s like health benefits, meal plans, and recipes for weight loss. Group subtopics logically instead of scattering them. This keeps readers engaged and reduces bounce rate. Answer all related questions for the respective topic. It helps capture people also ask queries. Make your site crawl friendly. If Googlebot or AI crawlers can't access your content, it might as well not exist. A screaming frog or sidebar audit might show orphan pages, content with no internal links leading to it. Fixing that improves crawlability. Many site owners don't realize that Cloudflare or their firewall settings block AI bots, meaning their content is invisible to new search features. Submitting a clean XML sitemap ensures Google discovers fresh content quickly. Prioritize mobile first. With over 60% of web traffic on mobile, desktop-only optimization is a mistake. Imagine a restaurant site where the book a table button is too small to tap. Customers leave instantly. Test pages on different devices, not just desktop previews. Use tools like Page Speed Insights to check 3G loading speeds. A page that takes 7 seconds to load will lose most users before they even see it. Strengthen your technical core. Technical SEO isn't flashy, but it breaks everything if ignored. An e-commerce site with duplicate product pages confuses Google about which one to pick. Canonicals fix that. A blog without HTTPS will show a no secure warning, hurting trust and SEO alike. Adding schema markup like star ratings or product pages can double click-through rates because results look richer in search and catch the eye quicker. Optimize your Google business profile. For local businesses, this is one of the biggest ranking factors. A dental clinic with a fully optimized profile, fresh photos, and dozens of reviews will always outrank one that never updates. Posting weekly updates, offers, events, blog links, shows activity and improves visibility in Google Maps. Always respond to reviews, good or bad. Google tracks responsiveness as a signal of trust. SEO in 2025 is all about being visible, trustworthy, and accessible to both people and AI. If you apply these tactics, you won't just keep up, you'll move ahead of competitors still stuck in the past. Hit like if this video give you value, or and tell me in the comments which tactic would you try first.